So depth in email design. It looks tricky, but it's totally doable, right, Luana?
Yeah, that's right. So this layout layers a background image and a clean spacing to add that 3D feel, and it's not code required. Once you see how it's structured, it will all make sense, I promise. So let's build this row together. Let's add a one column row, and let's start adding the row background image. Also in this case, it's very important to build and to make the background image in the right way. Instead, the background image we have here contains also the background color of the email and these 3D flowers elements inside it. Let's place the background image here. Let's apply it to the row and let's center it. Now let's add the title. I'm gonna duplicate this one and also the paragraph here. So let's add the title and the paragraph. Let's align the text to the center. Let's remove some top padding. And now let's give this extra space. Let's add a spacer to the top here. Let's set this to 200. And let's add the same spacer to the bottom. And that's it. We made it in less than 1 minute in Beefree. It's just important that we create this background image in the right way.